Stand your ass up, little nigga. It's a Luigi time, right?
Don't worry, Luigi. I'll handle it.
Mario! Of course.
Yo, do you drink all my tea?
Now it's like none of your business, but yeah.
What do you mean none of my business? It's my tea that I bought. What are you talking about?
You had me at your, cause I pay for everything in this house. To the rental, to the electricity bill, to your dumb figurine.
You know no one will hire me. Stop it. I'm a bum ass nigga.
You is a bum. Cause you know why? You've been living here for 6 months and you still haven't found a job.
Here she goes, bro.
What happened to this whole thing you told me about when you first moved in? This whole mansion, all those minions you had, I guess? That whole girly pop? What happened to that?
Okay, first of all, she wasn't my girly pop.
Yeah.
Look,
Okay.
alright, you know what? My fault. I got some gold coins in the back. I'll pay for groceries. Or something. I don't know what the fuck.
Gold coins.
Yeah, gold
You
coins.
better be talking about them gold coins that have chocolate inside. You telling me you had currency that you can
Okay,
save
I'm gonna stop
for
you.
real money?
No, it's my savings. What do you want me to do?
Okay.
It's my savings.
Your savings?
Yes, my savings. You know, no.
I hate to tell you this, but you already poor.
My fault. Do you want me to pay for groceries or not?
This is getting on my face. This is getting on my face.
Jesus.
I can't. Gold coins. This must be a joke.
Yo.
Hey, meet me outside.
Yeah, I'll be there. Don't worry about it. I'll handle it.
What kind of anime is that? How does this kind of superhero get into my room, bro?
Where you been at, nigga? It's been 6 months.
Damn, 6 months? It's been that long? I'm not gonna lie, I've been chilling, bro.
You been chilling.
Yeah, I've been chilling.
6 months, nigga. You been chilling?
Tell me, that's not.
Yo, don't fucking talk to me like that, nigga. I ain't your friend no more, nigga. It's been 6 months. Niggas been out here dying. Niggas been dying, nigga.
I understand. Listen.
My family. Told that. Your family too, nigga. All these girls, everybody, nigga. Everyone been dying in this hole. And you been here chilling. 6 months. Where you been at, nigga? Tell me, nigga, where you been at? That's why Mario's dead.
Toad, I understand what you're saying, but the Mushroom Kingdom's better off without me. It's probably for the best.
I understand.
Mm-hmm.
These ain't meant for this shit. Yeah. Yeah, you know what this is, nigga. In the flesh, ho. Nah, but it's alright. Roy told me to kill you anyway. I know you see this, huh? It's that lava flower, straight from the lava kingdom. And I ain't doing this shit only for Roy. I'm doing this for myself and the niggas you abandoned for 6 months, nigga.
We don't gotta do this, Toad. We don't got to fight.
What you mean we don't gotta fight?
You said we don't gotta do this.
I'm ordered to kill you anyway, so matter of fact, put them hands up, nigga. Run my fade.
Yeah, Luigi. This is the power of that lava flower, straight from the lava kingdom. Yeah, I'm gonna remind you about that hoe too, nigga. That's not even all I can do. This is only one of 3.
Stop talking, nigga. Fight.
I'll show you.
I know you felt that. The power of the lava flower.
Alright, but this next attack, I'm about to finish you for real.
Alright, so this dirty build. What the
Hey, where'd that nigga go? Hey! Hey, where you going, nigga?
This fight's over.
You gonna run away? Gonna run away again, nigga?
I'm not Mario. I'll never be him.
You a fucking coward!
I can't live up to you. I just can't.
You're right. And he never will.
It's been a minute, Luigi.
Roy.
It's been 6 months? Damn. I think it's about time we caught up.
Cut the crap, Roy! Why are you here?
I'm not lying, bro. I just want to see how you been.
No. You're here to kill me. Just like my brother.
Oh! I'm not here to kill you. That's a battle I already won. I have no need to kill such a broken man. So I catch up with some small talk. How's your friends feel after you abandoned them?
Shut
How does Daisy feel knowing the man she loved is a coward?
Shut up.
How does Peach feel knowing you let her entire kingdom get destroyed?
I'm warning you.
And how does she feel that you let Mario die? That's seriously all you got? Come on!
You bastard!
6 months made you that rusty? Damn. Y'all supposed to be heroes, right? You, Mario, Peach. Every last one of y'all is weak. And I destroyed every last one of y'all. You included right now. Honestly. It's pathetic. But out of all three, you must be the most pitiful, weakest, the most miserable of all of them I fought. Hey, don't look at me like that. It's gonna be alright.
The doctor says that you're gonna.
Yeah, I know. I'm dying. But there's still hope.
What hope, Mario? You're the only one who could save the Mushroom Kingdom.
No. No, I'm not. It's okay. Luigi, I need you to take...
Stop! You can't expect it of me.
Of course I can. You're my brother after all. Right?
So what, Mario? I'm not as strong or as capable as you.
Luigi.
I can't save the Mushroom Kingdom by myself.
Luigi.
I can't run or jump as high as you.
Luigi.
And now you want me to live up to your great legacy by myself.
Luigi!
What?
You got it. I believe in you. Save the Mushroom Kingdom. Get up, little nigga. You got people depending on you. So you just holding back? I guess it's time for me to get serious then.
I mean to spoil your fun, Roy, but we secured the location of the Pyro Flower.
Oh, alright. I'm on the way. lucky. I got someone to attend to right now. The power flower, you know it. But hopefully this gives you the motivation to fight me again. To get on top of yourself. Get on top of your responsibilities. Or you can just die in the shithole you're in right now. It's on you to